Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how sugar is made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
Back it up, slow now.
Watch the pile, clear the chute. Freshly harvested cane is crushed to extract its natural juice, inblend, the first step to sweet perfection.
Look at the flow rate here, it's unstable.
Okay, I'm adjusting the main valve now. That should stabilize the pressure.
Lime helps remove impurities and clarify the juice before concentration. Here, heat and precision turn syrup into pure sugar crystals.
The crystal yield looks excellent on screen 3.
Agreed. The robots are managing the flow perfectly.
Every grain of sugar is tested before shipment to ensure top quality.
And that's how sugar is made, Allied, from field to factory and finally to your table.